today's episode, I will be making slime, but not just any slime, glitter slime. So, what we're gonna need is some glue, food coloring or markers, glitter glue is optional, and so is just loose glitter. You're also gonna need your activator, which is Lysol, aka Mom's Lysol. And you also need something to mix in and something to mix with. Also, just, have a paper towel on the side because it does get messy. Alright, get your supplies, and in the meantime, we'll be taking a short break. BRB!